What's up, guys? Welcome to Robeytech Unscripted. We're doing this Top Gun style. We're gonna be doing action shots because right here, this is the 5090 from Nvidia, and I figured, you know what, we're gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna look at it compared to the 4090, and then we're also gonna see if it really is truly small form factor and throw it inside of one of the smallest cases I know and see just how well this thing fits. So, should be a fun little journey. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna follow the instructions here. It says pull. Oh, there's more pull. Whoa, is there? Oh, next level pull. Oh, look at that. Inspired by gamers, enhanced by AI, built by Nvidia. That, like, by the way, as I peeled, that showed up, which is actually kind of cool. Is there another secret message? Robey, you win. Nothing. Nope, that was it. That was the whole thing. Okay, there we go. I think it goes like this. Okay. Whoa, okay, was not expecting that. That is cool. It says Nvidia. It says included is a GPU, a cable, and a question mark. No, maybe that's probably instructions. And it looks like we got little arrows here. I'm trying to follow the arrows. There we go, opens up. And there is our card. And then we also have our box that has the cable. So look at these, much nicer dongle here. Still pretty big in terms of the actual just kind of thick part here. And then it does split out into 4, because this thing can pull like 375 watts or whatever it was, which is actually pretty crazy. We'll show the right number if I made mistakes. Editors, that's what editors are for, to make sure that I'm also very hopped up on cold medication from CES flu, so I may not be perfect in all of my information here. This says GeForce RTX 5090. So I don't know I wonder if all retail packaging will look like this. If you went and got one, and you got one from Best Buy or whatever it was, it came in a box very similar, so I expect this is what it'll be like when you actually get the GPU as well. So it says pull, so this just kind of slips out. That one came out really easily. Okay, there it goes. That's just like that. And then clamshell. There it is. Okay, so this is the RTX 5090. It does not come with a protector. So on the 40 series, there was actually a cover over this. Oh man, look at that. Dude, that is a nice looking card. Quite a bit thinner than all of us expected when basically Jensen came on stage. And it's got that kind of darker color. It's almost like the Super Series and the 40 series kind of had a baby. And then you can see through here, right? You can see that it's basically passed through. Get this stuff out of the way really quick, and let's compare it against, this was the beast of last gen, the RTX 4090 right here. And already, that is quite a bit of difference already just off the bat. So again, it is not as tall, right? You can see here that even when you set it side by side, like, oh no, maybe, okay, it's just slightly shorter, but not a whole lot. From the side though, I mean, that's quite a bit thinner. It's definitely lost some weight, right? A couple other things that are interesting that are worth noting. If you look on this side, and this has been different from all of them, is look at how the power actually comes out of the side. So those are gonna come out of the side versus on the 4090, it was plugging in directly. So this is gonna be a little bit easier for your smaller form factor builds, which is interesting. From a I/O standpoint, you can see that the I/O is very, very similar, right? Nothing too crazy there, but man, it is just, look at that, it is so much thinner. And then just overall footprint size, sticking them on top of each other. They're actually very, very similar, like just a hair smaller in terms of length, but dude, that is a much, much thinner card. Now, the one thing that they are saying, the Nvidia SFF program, the SFF Ready program, was actually built with this card in mind. That's how kind of ahead of the game they were. What I have here is a 5090, and then what I have right here is from Falcon Northwest, and this is the Falcon Northwest Tiki. And if you've been around on my channel, you know that we use the Tiki quite a bit. So let's just go ahead and pop this in here. And there you go. Yeah, that fits there nicely. So we'll just go ahead and screw it in real quick. Now, I'm not allowed to turn this on or anything, right? Because of, embargoes, but still show it inside the build here. And there it is, right? How does it look? that fits with room, right? And like, yeah, and then easily if I mean, obviously this is set for the 2 pin right now, but just stick that up there. This one has a 7800X3D. This would be a 7800X3D 5090 system, and you could easily do a 5090 version, but that's crazy. Look at that. Dude, that is so thin. And look, even on the back here, like it fits no problem. So cool. Really, really excited about this, but wanted to show you the unboxing, let you get a look at it comparatively to how it was to the 40 series and all that sort of stuff, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. And of course, obviously we'll have a review coming out along with the embargo and everything else, and not only just for this, but also a ton of the partner cards, which are way bigger. This is the brand new 5090 FE. I know throughout this we've been showing you things like what's new about it and all that sort of stuff at the same time, but really wanted to just spend some time showing you some unboxings and putting it inside of a case that was small form factor and showing you just how small this FE really is. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.